Alright, let's start off with a pound of ground pork. Now you can also use ground beef, ground turkey, or ground chicken. Now for our spices, we want to start off with 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I used sea salt, 2 crushed cloves, and 1 clove of crushed garlic. We're also going to use 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Okay, let's put our ground pork in a bowl, and we want to add the spices now. So I'm going to take these spices, kind of mix them up a little bit, add them to the pork. And we want to add our vinegar, and then we want to mix it up really good. And then after this, the only thing left to do is to cook it. We just cook it until it's done. And there we have it. I like to put it in freezer bags and freeze it, but it usually doesn't last long around here. Well, I want to thank you all for stopping by and watching this video. I do hope you give this recipe a try. And until next time, this is Dave with you here at Da Bomb Smokes. Bye-bye.